Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a delivery company named Swift Logistics that operated a fleet of heavy vehicles for transporting goods across long distances. One day, during a routine maintenance check, it was discovered that several of their heavy vehicle tires were worn out and needed immediate replacement. The operations manager, Mr. Johnson, quickly realized the importance of having reliable tires for their trucks. He contacted their tier supplier, Tyres, known for high-quality and durable heavy vehicle tires. Mr. Johnson discussed the urgent need for replacements and arranged for a team from Tyres to visit their facility. The Tyres team arrived promptly and assessed the condition of Swift Logistics heavy vehicle tires. They recommended a set of rugged, all-terrain tires that were designed to withstand long journeys and varied road conditions. Understanding the importance of minimizing downtime, the Tyres team efficiently replaced all the worn-out tires on Swift Logistics trucks. With the new tires in place, Swift Logistics experienced a noticeable improvement in their vehicle's performance. The trucks now had better traction, improved fuel efficiency, and increased stability on challenging terrains. This led to smoother operations, timely deliveries, and ultimately satisfied customers. Impressed by the quality of service and the performance of the new tires, Swift Logistics continued their partnership with Tyres for all their heavy vehicle tire needs. The story of timely tire replacements not only improved the efficiency of Swift Logistics operations, but also highlighted the significance of reliable tires in the transportation industry. In a bustling industrial area, there was a construction company named Build Right Constructions that relied heavily on a fleet of heavy vehicles for various projects. One day, during a busy construction phase, one of their dump trucks experienced a tire blowout on a rugged terrain site. This incident caused a delay in their operations and raised concerns about the condition of their heavy vehicle tires. Realizing the importance of quick repairs, the site manager, Ms. Rodriguez, contacted their trusted tier service provider, Roadguard Tires, known for their expertise in heavy vehicle tire repairs. The Roadguard Tires team swiftly responded to the call and arrived at the construction site with their specialized equipment. Upon inspection, the Roadguard Tires team identified the damaged tire and determined that it could be repaired instead of needing a full replacement. They carefully patched up the puncture and conducted a thorough inspection of the remaining tires on the dump truck to ensure their safety and reliability. Impressed by the efficiency and expertise of the Roadguard Tires team, Build Right Constructions decided to partner with them for regular tire maintenance and repairs across their fleet of heavy vehicles. Roadguard Tires implemented a proactive tire maintenance plan for Build Right Constructions, which included regular inspections, tire pressure checks, and prompt repairs of any issues encountered. As a result of this partnership, Build Right Constructions experienced reduced downtime due to tire-related issues, improved safety for their drivers and equipment, and cost savings by extending the lifespan of their heavy vehicle tires through timely repairs and maintenance. The collaboration between Build Right Constructions and Roadguard Tires highlighted the importance of proactive tire maintenance and expert repairs in ensuring smooth operations and maximizing the efficiency of heavy vehicle fleets in demanding work environments. In a bustling automotive workshop, there was a growing demand for heavy vehicle tire replacement services due to the increasing number of trucks and buses in the area. The workshop owner, Mr. Paddle, recognized this opportunity and decided to invest in a state-of-the-art heavy vehicle tire replacement machine to meet the needs of their customers efficiently. After thorough research and consultation with industry experts, Mr. Patel purchased a cutting-edge heavy vehicle tire replacement machine from a renowned manufacturer, Tech Tire Solutions. This machine was equipped with advanced features such as automatic rim removal, tire mounting and dismounting capabilities, tire inflation system, and digital alignment assistance. With the new machine installed in the workshop, Mr. Paddle's team underwent training to familiarize themselves with its operation and ensure they could deliver top-notch tire replacement services to their customers. The machine's user-friendly interface and precision engineering made it easy for the technicians to handle heavy vehicle tires of various sizes and types with speed and accuracy. As word spread about the workshop's efficient tire replacement services using the latest machine technology, more heavy vehicle owners and fleet operators started choosing Mr. Patel's workshop for their tire needs. The Tech Tire Solutions machine's ability to handle a high volume of tire replacements without compromising on quality or safety became a key selling point for the workshop. Over time, Mr. Patel's workshop gained a reputation for reliable and professional heavy vehicle tire replacement services, attracting clients from neighboring areas and industries. The investment in the advanced tire replacement machine not only boosted the workshop's revenue, but also enhanced customer satisfaction by reducing wait times and ensuring precise tire installations. The success story of Mr. Patel's workshop and the Tech Tire Solutions heavy vehicle tire replacement machine highlighted the importance of adopting modern technology in automotive